central Colorado, northwestern El Paso County, and east central Colorado, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near West Creek, or 23 miles northwest of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Colorado Springs, Woodland Park, Air Force Academy, Manitou Springs, Green Mountain Falls, Pikes Peak, Divide, Cristola, Chipeta Park, and Cascade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.